In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log calls manually in Freshsales. If you're using the newer version of Freshsales, you can manually record phone calls that happened outside the platform, such as calls made from your mobile phone or another calling system. This is a helpful way to keep your customer interaction history complete and organized, especially when you want your team to have full visibility into past conversations. To begin, log into your Freshsales account. Once you're inside the dashboard, head over to the Contacts section. Logging a call directly from a contact record is the recommended method because it keeps the activity tied to the right person from the start. From your contacts list, select the contact where you want to manually log the call. This will open that contact's record. Near the Call button, click the drop-down arrow beside Call. From that menu, choose Add Call Log. This option lets you create a manual entry for a call that wasn't placed through Freshsales itself. It's useful for documenting outreach, follow-ups, or any important conversation you want stored in the CRM. Next, select the call type and choose Outgoing. This tells Freshsales that the call was placed by you or your team, rather than received from the contact. After that, choose the outcome of the call. In this example, select Interested. This outcome helps categorize the conversation and makes it easier to track lead engagement later. Then, select Existing Contact. Since you're already logging the call from a contact record, this helps confirm that the log stays connected to the correct person in your CRM. Now type your notes. This part is especially important, because your notes provide the context behind the call. Keep them clear and specific. Include the main topic discussed, any objections or questions, and what should happen next. Good notes make future follow-ups much easier for you and anyone else viewing the record. When you're ready, click the option beside Save. This gives you additional actions. You may choose Save Log and add follow-up if the conversation requires another touchpoint later. Or, if the call resulted in a scheduled discussion, you may choose Save Log and add Meeting instead. These options are useful because they help you turn a conversation into the next action without leaving the screen. If you don't need either of those extra actions, simply click Save once you're done. After saving, you can view the logged call in the contact timeline, the account timeline, the deal timeline if the contact is associated with a deal, and also within the Conversations or Activities section. That's how to manually log calls in Freshsales. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.